Here is Trezor app, Trezor Suite, send, receive, and manage crypto. So this is official Trezor app for iPhone. Manage your crypto with ease and confidence wherever you are. Connect your Trezor hardware wallet, send and receive crypto quickly and securely. Track balances and portfolio across Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. Thousands of supported tokens. Now available in the following countries where supported third-party exchanges. So as you can see, here's the list of countries. Yeah, mostly Europe and US, Canada. Yeah, that's basically, you can see, yeah, Australia as well. So yeah, that's the app. And just double click to install it. The safest way to manage a crypto. Send, receive in seconds. Connect, wireless connection. And that's how you can just get started. And then you can enable, and then you can just connect your Trezor device. You can track your coins. And that's kind of the idea in here. So yeah, try it out. What do you think, guys?